For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
One of the most important festivals in the Indian calendar, Ganesh Chaturthi, is fast approaching. Ganesha is loved by all, and celebrations usually take place in a grand manner. However, this year, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the country will witness low-key celebrations. The Delhi government has released a set of guidelines to be followed during the Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations this year. Delhi government banned idol immersion and community celebration this year. According to the Delhi Pollution Control Committee, the idol immersion is prohibited in the national capital to curb the spread of COVID-19. There will be no large congregations, community celebrations or idol immersion at public places on Ganesh Chaturthi in the national capital this year in view of the COVID-19 pandemic. The Delhi Pollution Control Committee also stated that they will impose 50,000 rupees on the violators. Incidentally, the idol immersion in Yamuna River was also banned following the order by the National Green Tribunal. Last year, the Delhi government had created artificial ponds at public places to immerse idols on Ganesh Chaturthi. However, the officials have banned the immersion of idols in artificial ponds this year. Idol immersion in artificial ponds too is not allowed this time as large gatherings will increase the risk of virus transmission. The Delhi government also issued guidelines ahead of Ganesh Chaturthi celebration this year. According to the Unlock 3 guidelines issued by the Delhi Disaster Management Authority, people should perform idol immersion rituals in a bucket. The Delhi police and civic bodies have been directed to check the entry of vehicles carrying idols into the city. Idol makers and sellers have been directed to use natural material. Painting of idols should be discouraged. The idol makers have been instructed to use water-soluble and non-toxic dyes. The DPCC officials have also prohibited religious functions and large gatherings this year. Even Ganesha processions are also banned this year. Similarly, the Delhi government also did not grant permission for procession during Muharram in the national capital. Similarly, no permission will be granted for procession or tajia during Muharram festival and the public shall be discouraged. The people have been advised to celebrate the same at their homes and not at public places at this time of COVID-19 pandemic. The Maharashtra government too has released guidelines for low-key Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations across the state. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray appealed citizens not to gather in large numbers during festivities. This year, Ganesh Chaturthi will be celebrated on August 22nd.